Hey guys, Sanskruti and I study 8th standard, and today's our topic is too much interesting topic because today's my topic is why people roam around the world. Means why people uh, roam around the world. So this is you think this is a question, but this is also my topic and also question. So let's get started. Before starting to I once again telling you this is also my topic and also the one question. So today I hope you also enjoy today's video. So let's move ahead and let's get started. So why people roam around the world, this is a question. And people roam around the world because they like to watch the beauty of world. They like to watch they like to watch trees, the nature, and the places the places are full of history and full of nature. They also like to watch the trees, and so many of us people also went at the historical places like fort, bridges, museums. In museums, they they read some information about that people. People means who is whose museum is that, like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or uh, of many peoples. There are so many museums in uh, Pune and also in Mumbai, and so many people also went out of country to watch the beauty of world, like in Thailand, America, and so many people also went to do the bile jumps. In that jump, what do we do? In that jump, we want to jump from height. Yeah, and in that jump, so many people became afraid, and uh, who want to become uh, who, who want to uh, who want to do who want to become a military man or military girl. They want they are compulsory to jump from height, from plane, by using the parachute, because when there was when somewhere fighting is going on, and it is too much emergency. If someone wants help, because uh, they are in emergency. In emergency case, military help us by jumping the from plane or from helicopter, because when there was a uh, flood in Tamil Nadu, or when there was a flood in India, uh, the military help us to help that people, to give some foods, or to give some clothes, to give some water, or give some foods to that people from by jumping from a plane or a helicopter. So so many of us went out of country also to do adventure. So many people like to do trekking, and in China and Japan there are too much interesting places for trekking. Like there is also one bridge of the glass bridge. There's also one glass bridge. When we put our when we put our leg there, leg on that, when we put our foot on that bridge, uh, it's look like a broken bridge, and we became afraid. So many people are there that so many people who like to do some adventure in their life, they went there, uh, but uh, but who don't want to, who afraid of like that things, they doesn't go, because it is also too much dangerous. And there are so many places in our India or all our whole world to do adventures, to do trekking, to do to show your uh, inside a twist, and who want to do some twist or some adventure in our life, uh, they want to go there. There are so many places in our country, so that's why to look a beauty or look a nature of the whole world, people go there, go people roam around whole world. So I like my today's video, I hope you also like. So this is our today's video, and thank you.